Hey, Nuggy. December, Southern California. Shorts, snake-proof boots. This is how it is, guys. Alright. SENCUT CITIUS? Something like that. Showed this knife the other day. I love it. It's a little dinky one from SENCUT, the CITIUS. What's it got? It's got a 3 1/4 inch blade. It's about 7 1/4 overall. Slim. I love the mechanism on it. It's great. And I've been practicing my Spidey flick. I couldn't do it before, but now I'm got pretty good at it. I like it so much, I got another one in black. Yeah, cool knife. Double flicker. Catch you later, guys. Check them out. Check out SENCUT if you haven't already. Making some cool knives. I really like these, hence 2 of them. I don't often buy 2 knives, but when I do, you can be sure I like them. Catch you later.